This exercise demonstrates cutting a shape involving stopped cuts. Always try to avoid having to back out of long cuts or curved cuts, as you run the risk of pulling the blade off the bandsaw wheels. Remember, the blade is supported at the back and on both sides, but it isn't supported at the front. So you need to create escape routes to avoid having to back out of long cuts such as these. These shortcuts in this exercise create the escape routes so that when the long cuts are finished, backing out is not required. Remember too to avoid placing your hands too near to the blade, and always pick up a push stick once your hands approach the no-go area marked on this bandsaw. The final cut in this exercise shows the minimum radius that this 1/2 inch or 12mm wide blade will cut. That is a 2.5 inch or 63mm radius, approximately 5 times the width of the blade.